Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, neck pain and tension relief, 2-minute routine at your work desk. Now, I do make a lot of content for those suffering out there with lower back problems, mid back problems, neck cervical problems, herniated discs, sciatica nerve pain, stenosis, etc, etc. If you're one of those sufferers, then hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I create some new content which is going to help you on the road to recovery. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay folks, today I want to talk about some stretches, exercise you can do whilst at your desk, if you're working in an office, at a workstation, working from home perhaps, that will help relieve some of that tension and neck pain that you can get from working in front of a screen for too long. Now I do apologise, I'm a bit nasally today, I've got a bit of a cold. I'm feeling fine, it's just a bit of a blocked nose, so I do sound a little bit different than I normally sound today. Now, as far as your workstation goes, I've got a separate video on how to set that up correctly because too many of us, we have our screen too high, too low, the keyboard, etc. So there's another video that's going to pop up at the end of this one. Wait to the end of this video, watch it all the way through. Click on that video and I've got a nice instruction about how to set up your workstation correctly, be it at home, in the office, etc. All right? Now, it's a sad state of affairs that we do spend a lot of time in front of our screens, so I'll pretend that I'm at my desk here, on my screen, and again, like anything, we spend too much time doing the one thing with our body can get out of kilter, out of whack, and we can start to get tension in our neck if we're perhaps like straining at the screen, if we're tilted up, if we're tilted down with our neck. And sometimes, yes, we should be getting up every hour, getting a glass of water, going to the bathroom, etc. But sometimes we're stuck there for too long, maybe we're working on a project, and it's nice to be able to do certain exercises, certain stretches, whilst at your desk, which will give you some relief, okay? So I'm going to run through 9, that's right, 9, okay, exercises and stretches for you today, for your neck, which you can do all seated at your desk, all right? And it's going to bring you some relief. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to show you front on for some of these, side on so you can see. So the first one's going to be what I call neck nodding, head nodding. And you're simply going to take yourself off the screen. You can do it whilst facing. I'm just showing you for the camera here. You're going to lightly, gently let your chin go down to your chest and then tilt it back. And you would do about 6 of these in total. So 2 being 1, so you'll do 12 movements in total. 1, 2, nice and gentle. Don't force it. Don't go to the very end range and try to jerk yourself back or push yourself forward. So we'll start off 12 of those up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Okay, then bring your head back to the center. Now we'll do what's called head twists. And same motion, you're just going to go to the right and then back to the left. This speed is perfectly fine. 3, 4, we'll do 12 of these as well. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And bring yourself back to the central point. Now we're going to stretch out part of your, what's called your scalenes and your upper trapezius here, so the cervical extensor muscles. And I'm going to ask you just to take one ear, we'll take your left ear, down to your left shoulder. Now lightly take your left hand, place it around the side of your head, and you can use this hand to kind of like depress your shoulder towards the ground, and just gently take this ear, a little gentle pull here, with this ear towards the shoulder. You should feel a stretch through the backside part of your neck there. You can push this shoulder towards the floor, it'll increase the stretch, and you want to hold that maybe 15 to 20 seconds, and just breathe, naturally, slowly. Okay, make sure you're sitting up nice and tall, don't be slouching. And then relax, bring it back to the center. And then you switch sides. Again, just depress the left shoulder down. And take your right ear towards your right shoulder. 15, 20 seconds. And just hold that there. Again, we're not bouncing. We're not tearing our head off the shoulders. Gentle stretch. Slowly come back to the center. And you could repeat one more time either side. Okay? Now from that, I'm going to move what's called a chin tuck. Okay, so I'm going to show you from the side for this one. So I'm going to be here, sit up nice and tall, And we imagine we're making a double chin. And you're just going to retract your head backwards, okay? So if I take my fingers, I'm going to take these so you can see. It's just on my chin here. And I just, imagine I'm just going to push my chin and my head goes back. You make like a double chin here, extra skin, and then relax. Now when you relax, you don't want to protrude your head forward. You don't want to be going, back, forward, okay? No, I just want you to retract the chin back, make a double chin, hold, 1, 2, and then relax. And just relax back to your neutral position. So again, retract back, 1, 2, and relax. Retract, 1, 2, and relax. So you're going to retract, hold, count 1, 2, and relax. And again, retract, hold, 1, 2, and relax. I would do 6 of those, okay? It just helps to, because again, when we're in front of the computer, sometimes we start to create this forward head carriage, head comes forward. That little exercise there kind of starts to strengthen up some of the muscles in the back of the cervical spine, helping you to support your head. Head is very heavy on top of the body. If it's out of whack, okay, it creates a lot of stress, can create a lot of stress in your neck, all right? Now the next one is going to move slightly further down the body. I want to do what's called shoulder lifts. It's a very easy one here. I'm just going to turn the chair so you can see properly. So again, you just relax. You can come to the edge of your chair. If you've got arms, you want to make sure those arms are out of your way. Come to the edge of your chair. Let your arms hang by your side, nice and relaxed. And I want you to bring your shoulders up to your ears. You're going to hold that for 1, 2, 3, and then relax. And just let them fall, okay? Again, you lift up, hold, 1, 2, 3, and drop, and relax. Again, up, hold, 1, 2, 3, and relax. Now, when you do this, just make sure that when I bring my shoulders up, I don't stick my head forward like that, okay? Just keep your head in that neutral position, comes up, 1, 2, 3, and relax, okay? It just helps to relax off your upper trapezius muscles. A lot of tension can be created in there, depending on your posture. That can give you headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, etc. Now, after we do the drops, we're going to do what's called the shoulder blade squeeze. So I'm going to show you from the side from this one. And all we're going to do, standing up tall, come to the edge of your work chair, arms relaxed. We're going to pull the shoulder blades back, okay? So all I'm doing, I'm taking my shoulders, bringing them back, squeezing my shoulder blades together. We're going to hold that for a count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. And again, squeeze back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Squeeze back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. We'll do one more. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Nice. Again, it just helps to wake up those muscles between your shoulder blades, which help, of course, pull your shoulder blades back, pull your shoulder girdle back. Trapezius is a very large muscle, connects pretty much from the top part of your cervical spine into your head here, down to your mid-back region. So it's responsible for a lot of support network in the upper back region. Okay, staying with the trapezius region, I'm going to do another sort of what we call trapezius stretch. So again, I'm going to show you face forward again. So I'm going to be stretching the right side, and I need you to turn your head a little bit to the left, let your chin go down towards your left chest muscle here. You can use a little bit of assistance with your hand to pull it down. Take your right hand, put it behind your back, and then try to imagine you're depressing the shoulder towards the ground, like you're trying to drive that elbow towards the ground. As you do that, pull this chin down towards my left chest, and I depress the shoulder, and you should feel a stretch all the way from the back of your neck here, right down into this trapezius, back part of your shoulder. I'm going to hold that there. Again, you would hold this 15 to 20 seconds. Again, don't bounce it, don't tear your head off. Relax out of it slowly, come around, other side, here. Turn my head to the right this time, go down to my right chest, pull my head down, depress my left shoulder, Breathing. Nice and gently, control, 15 to 20 seconds. Come out of it slowly. And you can do those 2 times each side, okay? 15 to 20 seconds of hold. Now, just want to finish with 2 more really simple ones here. So I'm going through that full routine, and then just to finish, this is more kind of getting slightly towards the mid-back region. I'm going to take your hands, interlock your fingers, so my knuckles are facing outward. Reach, don't smash your computer monitor. You might need to go off to the side for this one, but imagine my monitor's not here. And I just want you to push, like protract your shoulders forward, reach, 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 and you're almost kind of rounding this part of your back here. When you feel a stretch coming around the back of the shoulders, push, push. You can drop your head down, push, push. I'm pushing away in that direction, okay? Pushing, 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 pushing. And 15, 20 seconds. And relaxed. Last one. Again, we'll keep the fingers locked. If you can't, it's okay. Just keep them close together. The next one is we're just going to go from here. We're going to turn them the opposite way this time. And you're going to reach up, up above your head, and stand up nice and tall, and reach up to the ceiling. So you're basically projecting my arms and shoulders up to the ceiling. I'll show you from the front as well. So I'm here, take my hands. This time my knuckles are facing me. I go above my head and I push up. So I'm up, 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 push, push, keep my chin level. And I'm reaching, 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 tall as I can, tall as I can. Breathing, 15, 20 seconds, and relax, okay? So guys, that should take you approximately 2, perhaps 3 minutes to do, all at your desk. You can turn, have a drink of water. You should be drinking water, okay, a lot more than what we are, and get back to work. All right, guys, listen, hope that's been useful, helpful. If you've got problems yourself, questions about your problems, hit me up in the comment section down below. I am here to help you guys. If you want to reach out personally by email, my email is also in the description. Feel free to drop me an email. I'll gladly try to help you out as best I can, all right? Guys, listen, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.